Power line. Yeah, power line down.
Look, it's here.
Yeah.
Power line down.
That's communication.
Yeah, this one is communication, but that one, that's why they put the.
Because there's a wire that's down.
Power line down after tornado. Look at that. Tornado here in Geneseo, New York's upstate. Trees down everywhere. Not in the street. Well, here, see, still a little bit more. Little bit more. Look at that. Look at that. Another one down. Another wire down here. Line down. Line down. Line down. Line down. Look at that. Oh my God. Look at that. Look at that. Look at those trees. Line down. Look, many trees inside the cemetery. Whoa. Anything. Look at that. Another one. Look at that. Look what happened here. Look at this tree. It's down completely. Whoa. Yeah, imagine those lines. Look how close they are to the trees. Look at that. Look at that car. Almost got hit. Right there. So it came through here too. Went hit many places. Not only one. More trees down. And look how much water here. Look how much water in the grass, in the creek. Look at that. Look at that. In 2 seconds. Oh, yeah. Look at that. Look at that. 200 years old tree. No more. Look at that. More lines down at Venice. Look at that. Everywhere. No power. Everybody outside. Look at this. Uh-oh. Life's going on in Geneseo after the storm. There was probably also a small tornado yesterday. That's what it's left over, but today just trees down. Yesterday the power was off for a while, and now there are still more lines down. I just saw one in the mall where Wegmans is, right by the gas station. But power is back. People is back to normal. There are no. Here there was a line down yesterday. They fixed it. There is no damage to houses. That's what I heard, and everything looks fine again. This is Mount Morris Road. Everything looks fine. And I think that the bad area was the other side where Wegmans is, where the Hampton Inn is. This area looks fine. You don't see any tree down. Perfect, you see? The other side is much worse. Look, nothing. Perfect.